Welcome to this explainer. Go ahead and grab your notebooks and maybe put on your high school grammar hats today, because we're going to be textual detectives. We are stepping way back in time to explore the ancient Vedic tradition. But we aren't just looking at what the text means. No, we're zooming in on the actual mechanics of the language itself. We're going to see exactly how the structure, the grammar, and the phonetic sounds of a text can literally build a physical sense of unity. It's a fascinating textual and phonetic analysis, and I'm super excited to dive into this with you.
Okay, let's jump straight into the text itself with Part 3, Mantra 1, the sound sum.
Listen closely to the transliteration of this first mantra. Sangachadvam Samvadatvam Samvadatvam janatam. Deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate. As you let your eyes trace the visual rhythm of the Devanagari script, let's put on those grammar hats I mentioned earlier. This mantra heavily uses what's called lod lakara in Sanskrit grammar. This is the imperative mood. It's used for commands or, in this specific context, very earnest collective requests. It translates to things like let us walk together, let us speak together, so it's an active call to action embedded right there in the verb tense.
Now, let's break down those sounds. Sangachadvam Samvadatvam Sanjanana. Do you hear that? That repeating sum and san sound. In Sanskrit, this prefix generally means together or completely. By repeating this sound over and over again, the text physically mimics the concept of collective unity. It's tying the words together audibly, actually forcing the speaker's lips to make the exact same shape repeatedly. It's basically linguistic glue. Which brings us to Part 4, Mantra 2, the repetition samano. Listen to how this teacher-like phonetic pattern intensifies here. Samano mantraha samitihi samani, samanam manaha sahachittame sham. Samanam mantram abhimantraye vaha, samanena vo havishajuhomi. You can really see the striking visual repetition dominating the Devanagari script here. Even if you don't read it natively, you can clearly see the same characters anchoring almost every single phrase.
And here is where the grammar gets incredibly cool. Consider these shifting forms: samano, samani, samanam, samanena. All of these actually stem from the exact same root word for same or equal. But you're probably wondering, why do they look slightly different? Well, it's because of a fundamental grammatical rule: adjective-noun agreement. In Sanskrit, an adjective absolutely must match the noun it describes in gender, number, and case. So when it describes a masculine noun like mantra, the chant, it becomes samano. For a feminine noun like samitihi, the assembly, it transforms into samani. And for a neuter noun like manaha, the mind, it becomes samanam. The root word is literally shifting its physical form to unify perfectly with the word it's attached to. The rhythm alone, combined with this precise grammatical harmony, builds this immense sense of sacred unity before you even attempt to translate it into English.
Finally, let's look at Part 5, Mantra 3, the climax, samanini.
Let's read this final transliteration together. Samani va akuti, samana hridayani va, samanam astu vo mano, yathava susahasati. This is the ultimate climax of our text. After calling for people to walk together and aligning their mantras and their minds, the text now calls for the ultimate alignment of intentions and hearts. Notice how the text resolves this phonetic arc right here at the end. Samani, samana, samanamastu. We see that same powerful adjective-noun agreement at play, echoing everything from the previous verses. You see, this isn't just pretty poetry, it is a meticulously engineered sonic experience. The text cements the concept of collective unity purely through the structure of the ancient language itself. It proves that how something is written and spoken is just as absolutely crucial as what is actually being said.
Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.